I'm not Batman. My cat is Batman, but I'll take the credit.
Well, it's your...
Right, it's my cat, kind of. I mean, my dad kind of owns him right now, but that's another story for another time.
That's a good just story time with your dad.
Right. Ta-da! I think that's what was supposed to happen. Dude, we get to put stickers on!
Yay!
1 and 3. Okay, so here's 1, and here's 3. They look really kind of cool. I mean, look at that. I realize I haven't been showing you guys the stickers. I'm very sorry. Okay, so 1 goes on the closer, like that. 3 goes on this one. Those are kind of crooked, but it's cool. It's cool. I mean, this was put together by a child, so they should be crooked and all that jazz.
Are you calling me a child?
I am the child, Georgia, not you.
How old are you?
I am 19. Not like I wanted to admit that on the internet.
You are no child.
I am child.
I am a child until December.
So, if we put sticker 1 and 3 on the first wing, does that mean we put stickers 2 and 4 on the second wing? What, Miss Crackly?
Don't jump to conclusions.
Whoops! Put the wing on the wrong side.
It was bound to happen.
That's not something I want to hear from my best friend.
Alright.
Have some faith in me, huh?
The truth hurts.
Doesn't mean you can't have faith in me.
No
Like,
comment.
jeez. This thing. And I have none of the other pieces. Whoops. Wait, I have this. Will this still be? Nope. Does that mean I need to open the other bag? Or did I just put this off so long that my cat ate the Lego pieces?
Please no.
Oh, we got lots of other pieces. Ooh.
Okay, fuck off. Ow!
What?
That hurt.
What hurt?
Ears.
Girl, you're crazy.
It was louder on my end.
Okay, so we've got swords and more vermilion in this batch. This looks like part of the thing that you make the catapult. Kind of. I understand nothing. I understand nothing about Lego. I give up. All I know is that there's heads in this bag, and there were bodies and a helmet in the bag I just opened, which hurt Georgia. So that's an unforeseen plus.
Oh,
We'll put you there by Zane.
question.
What?
Would you like Zane in his uniform or in casual attire?
I don't know. It's up to you. I don't know what you're making.
Uniforms in
Oh, also, I put this together off camera. I was watching a Supergirl episode and I was bored and I started putting it together. And it was annoying as heck. Okay. So, this bag had nothing of what I needed.
You didn't.
So I need this. I need... What is it? Wait, it might not even be this piece that I need. It might be another piece. This bag has the pieces I need. This bag also had the heads, so get back over here to get your assigned head.
Get over.
Okay, so you need that. You also get a helmet as soon as I find it. You get this head. Where your torso is, or where your legs are, I don't know. So I don't know what this is. It's got like snakes on it. Kind of looks like a weapon or something.
Some sort of.
I should probably mention, for all who don't know about Ninjago, this season, or not, this set that the season was from, had a lot to do with time travel and snakes that could put themselves back together and were made out of other snakes. I know that makes no sense. That's kind of why I block the season from my mind. Because I don't. And if you hear gentle thudding, that is my cat. Oh, I found somebody's legs. Who wants legs?
Go leg.
You gets legs. You will get armor in a few minutes. Whoa! This guy has two faces. Oh, that's so cool.
You get legs. Whoa, get legs.
I didn't notice that until I put him facing the camera. Oh, here's your armor. Pop your head off. There we go. At least I didn't have to pry you off with a butter knife, Zane. I was putting, I didn't do this for a video, but Georgia sent me a limited edition Zane, and you had to put his torso together, or you had to put his body together, and you had to put his armor on. And he also had, I think he's the one that has like ice in his hands. He's either the one that has ice in his hands, or he's the one decked out in like armor and weapons. And so I was putting that together, and I forgot to put his armor that goes like across his shoulders. And so I tried to pop his head off to put the armor on, and his head wouldn't come off. So I had to pry his head off with a nail filer. It was fun.
See, for a nail file or a butter knife, which is which?
It was a nail file.
No, I mean like which one was the most effective?
The nail file. That's the one that actually got it off.
Huh. I guess it goes to show that only butter knives are for butter.
Okay. Now I get it. Okay. I don't have those pieces because I already put it together on this side. When I put on the rubber bands, I had a feeling I was going to do it on both sides because rubber band and pulling back obviously in my mind means catapult. So I put one on each end, and because I did that when I first put it together, that means I don't have it now in the bag. Stop being mean to me, Georgia.
I know.
Okay, so I had no reason to open the big bag. Congratulations, me. Okay, so we need one of these blue things. We need this wing. We need the other wing. We need this other blue piece. Somewhere in here is these ones.
My heart.
What is your heart melting over? Your heart is melting and it's so disgusting. You're getting heart juice everywhere, Georgia. Stop it. Great. Now that I dumped out the big bag, I have no idea where my pieces are. Okay. I have one. So snap this together quickly. How does the wing go on? Okay. So the wing goes on like this. Okay. So I need to take both of those wings. I need to put both of those wings together again because the wings are supposed to go like this. I thought they stuck out a little too far. Okay. So okay. Woo. So this wing goes here. And then I need this to snap the other one together. Lego, you need to put worded instructions in your instructions because I'm stupid. I don't understand pictures.
And here I thought pictures were supposed to be easy.
I know. I thought so too. When I first opened the package, I was like, sticker instructions? Awesome! This is gonna be so easy. Halfway through, dudes, you're killing me. So great news. I don't need to take the stickers apart or the stickers off the thing. Okay. I just need to turn this around. There. Just like that. Okay. Woo, woo. Okay. There. That's looking more like the picture. Okay. Now we need stickers 2 and 4 for the other wing on the other side, which I thought was going to happen. Sticker there. No.
Oh my god, you need to see it, but I've just recreated that scene thing. I could work as a Zamboni.
The Lego Ninjago movie was weird.
It was, but it was supposed to be that way.
Yeah.
I mean, I thought it was okay. Not bad.
It was okay for a Lego movie. Alright, so I need this piece. I need 2 of these pieces.
Do you need 2 of those pieces, or do you make 2 of them?
I need 1 of this.
Missionary Friday.
Okay. So I'm supposed to put 1 of these screws on the end here. And then I'm supposed to put this piece in the middle here and line it up so I can just stick the black piece through. That is way too long. Okay. I see the piece I was initially supposed to grab. There we go. Ta-da! And now that is complete. I have put a thing through the T things. And that was the last instruction in booklet 1. Yay. Sorry, instruction book. Okay. So now they wanted the big bag. Oh, because the big bag had number 2 on it. Okay, so I was right. This bag is supposed to have catapult pieces, which makes sense because we have these. Oh, okay. So this piece here with, it looks like it has a blade and a snake. It's supposed to go on the end of an axe. So we need to set that aside right now.
Woot woot.
Here's a little flag thing. Here's another little flag thing. Those are supposed to go on the ends of the catapult. Jason, what are you doing close to my computer? You're not supposed to do that. We need handle pieces. We need handle pieces.
Woot.
Okay. I don't understand how that goes together right now. But, dude, I found your helmet.
Hi?
How you put it on, I don't know. There you go. Little Vermillion dude has no legs, but he has a helmet. So he's half ready for battle. Let's ignore the Lego figures and get on to building things. Okay, so Okay, so now we're making like the blade things that are supposed to run along the invader. We're making these parts right here. They remind me of a tractor deck on a mower. I guess it's just called a deck. Hey Jason, quickly, tell me if I'm still recording. Okay, so we need little red pieces. We need these. One goes on the bottom on this side. And if I can find another one. Any day now. Swears. Hey! Found the Vermillion guy's leg.
Boy.
'Twas in one of the bowl pieces. I'm stupid. I set your helmet aside earlier. I didn't realize it was your helmet. There we go. Now we have 2 Vermillion, and we have Zane. And we have part of the Vermillion Invader. Okay.
Oops.
And we still need a really small red piece. I can't find it. Am I just really stupid?
No, you're not that stupid.
Gee, thanks.
I'm kidding. Love you.
Okay. So while we can't find that piece, let's put the sideways piece there. And then we need one of, not that, we need one of these big 4 pieces. We need it right there. Ta-da! I mean, I have a brown one, but what the heck, in a pinch. I'm pretty sure this bag has all the weapons.
Whoa.
Okay. This is really weird. So now I need one of these. One of these. And one of the small 2-piece ones. I was looking at one earlier. Where'd it go? Jason, did you eat some of my pieces?
Please say you didn't.
He's looking at me guiltily.
Oh no.
Do these come off? Come apart? Oh, they work like that. That's kind of cool. Okay, so these are gonna go like this. They kind of come together to form a hinge, which is actually kind of cool. We were supposed to fit it on the small 2 gray piece. However, it's nowhere to be seen. Fun. I'm hoping after I get some more of this together, it's just gonna turn out that I was really stupid and overlooked stuff. So that's supposed to go there. Woo. Long gray piece. Stay. We need one of these to go. Wait, what? Okay, we need this one. I see the gray claw piece. I was supposed to open this bag. Yeah, because this snake ends up going on the head of this. Okay, so we have 2 snakes. Make that 3 snakes. Here's the little red pieces, I bet you. Okay, so we need one of the gray claw pieces, one of these. This goes on the end, like that. And then here's the small gray piece. Gosh, am I feeling stupid? We need one of these on here. We need oops. Oh gosh. I put pieces together and they're not coming apart.
Uh-oh.
And I just clipped my fingernails, so I have no fingernails to pry them off with.
I think it's time for the file.
Yeah, I think it's time for the nail file too, but I have no nail clippers around because I cleaned. I gotta find nail clippers.